Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix NBA app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I have three solutions in order for you to get the application to work again. So first is go open the Google Play Store, and now guys, just search for National Basketball Association. And then guys, just tap on the application. And then from here guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when this application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution, just go back and go to the settings. And then on the settings guys, just tap on the apps. And then on the apps guys, just find the NBA. And then from there guys, just tap on it and then just go to the storage. And then after that, make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you'll be able to use this application. And guys, if that doesn't work, the third and last solution that you might want to consider is reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application. And then after uninstalling it, just go back to the Google Play Store, guys, and now install it again on your device. And then from there, you will be able to use a National Basketball Association application. And from there, that is, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!